Hi, this is Ross with EDU Mobile Academy, and welcome to the JQuery course. So JQuery is an extremely popular JavaScript library. It is pretty much an essential part of any web developer's toolkit. So using JQuery, you can write very simple code to do common JavaScript tasks such as styling, animation, DOM manipulation, and Ajax, which would require perhaps cumbersome or verbose code in JavaScript. Another great reason to use JQuery is that it automatically handles certain cross-browser compatibility issues. In order to get through this course, you're going to need to know some basic HTML and some basic JavaScript. You don't need to be an expert in either one, but you will need to have just a solid foundation in both of those languages. We will begin the course by learning about selectors. Selectors are strings that are used to target specific HTML elements on the page. You can find elements in your document by tag name, by class name, by ID, and various other criteria and combinations thereof. In addition, the selector syntax is highly intuitive and easy to understand. Then we'll move on to events. Events allow programmers to create interactive user interfaces. We'll start by reacting to when the user clicks on something or double clicks on something. Then we'll look at hovering the mouse over an element. And finally, we'll look at how to react to keyword events. Then we'll move on to effects. Effects are used to hide and show elements on your page. Effects are pre-packaged animations that come with jQuery, and they can be implemented with minimal coding effort. First, we'll look at simply hiding and showing an element. Then we'll look at sliding an element in and out of view. And finally, we'll look at fading an element in and out of view. For further customization, we will look at animations, which allow programmers to animate most of the visual properties of HTML elements. In our examples, we're going to look at changing the font size of an element, changing its size and shape, changing how transparent it looks, and also changing its position on the page. Then we'll learn about changing the HTML content of a web page. This includes adding and removing entire HTML elements, as well as modifying text and other HTML attributes programmatically. We'll also learn about how to navigate the tree-like structure of an HTML document using the concepts of parent, sibling, and child elements. And then finally, we'll end the course by looking at Ajax, which stands for Asynchronous JavaScript and XML. Ajax allows programmers to interact with external servers. So to serve as our example, we will read airport data from a public web service. We'll learn how to request the data, how to handle the response, and how to handle errors. By completing the course, you will have a solid understanding of all the major features of jQuery. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy the course.